So make a wish and look up to the sky.
Every day the magic is here. Every day we celebrate the magic we feel.